Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are safe and sound and under the special bless of Allah. Dear students, please open up page 105 of your book. We are going to do the remaining on-book exercises of unit number 10, Technology in Everyday Life. The topic is revision and exercise number 9. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition from the list given below. We discussed preposition as well. So let us fill the blanks collectively. The prepositions are given to us: between, with, till, for, beneath, across, around, about, of, from. The first one is, he is fond of tea. Kindly fill it properly. He is fond of tea. She was angry with me. She was angry with me. Clear? Let us hope for the best. Let us hope for the best. They were absent from the class. Clear? They were absent from the class. Now please come towards page 106 of your book. Let us do the remaining exercises. He will reach in about 20 minutes. He will reach in about 20 minutes. Part 6. My village is across the river. My village is across the river. Then part 7. The earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. Part 8. They are sitting beneath the tree. They are sitting beneath the tree. Part 9. There is a river between the two cities. There is a river between the two cities. And the last one, wait till tomorrow. Wait till tomorrow. And exercise number 10. Use the following prepositional phrases in sentences. So this is your homework. You are supposed to use these prepositions in sentences of your own, prepositional phrases in sentences of in your own. Clear? We discussed prepositional phrases as well. You know it very well. You have ample of knowledge regarding it. So the prepositional phrases are abide by, absent from, accused of, appear before, care for, and died of. Clear? Then come towards exercise 11. Put a tick in the correct box to show whether it is a simple or compound sentences. Clear? Whether it is a simple or a compound sentence. Then circle the conjunction in the compound sentences. Clear? You have to identify whether you have to tick mark in the correct box whether the sentence given is simple or compound. And also, if the sentence is compound, then you have to encircle the conjunction in that one sentence. Clear? We did these types of sentences. We discussed it in the previous lectures. You can switch to that again if you need more help. Clear? Then come towards the first one of it. It is very hot in the afternoon. It is very hot in the afternoon. So it is simple sentence. So you have to tick mark in the block mentioned opposite to it under the heading simple sentence. Clear? Then I'm leaving now, but I'll be back. I'm leaving now, but I'll be back in an hour's time. This is leaving. Clear? Leaving. Leaving. Kindly do the correction. I'm leaving now, but I will be back in an hour's time. So it is compound sentence. And do you remember we have to encircle a conjunction? So but over here is a conjunction. Clear? Then come towards part 3. Dad took out 1,000 rupees note and gave it to the cashier. See the conjunction? It is encircled. Please encircle it, and it is compound sentence. Part 4. The fisherman went out in the morning and came back with a lot of fish. Clear? So it is compound sentence. And the conjunction over here is and. Part 5. Rahim said goodbye to everyone. This is simple sentence. Clear? So tick mark in the block opposite to sentence number 5 and under the heading simple sentence. Part 6. Every country celebrated the new year. This is also simple sentence. Part 7. We were planning to go to the zoo, but our car broke down on the way. So this is compound sentence. And the conjunction over here is but. Then part 8. Miss Nahid was not feeling well, so she went to see the doctor. It's a compound sentence, and so over here is encircled as it is conjunction. Then Uncle Khan is teaching me to drive. This is simple sentence. And part 10. Would you like to go to the museum or to the zoo? Would you like to go to the museum or to the zoo? So this is simple sentence. Clear? The 10th one is the simple sentence. So dear students, your today's homework is exercise 10. Use the following prepositional phrases in sentences: abide by, absent from, accused of, appear before, care for, died of. And your second homework for today is to search out simple and compound sentences and to encircle conjunction in the compound sentences. Clear? So you have to find 5 simple sentences and 5 compound sentences in unit number 10. And you have to encircle the conjunction mentioned in compound sentences. Clear? Please remember the homeworks and do it timely. This is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.